If you want to capture a screenshot without using buttons on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, then we actually have many different ways to do so. With 3 fingers, you can swipe from the top towards the bottom like this to capture a full screenshot. You can also press and hold 3 fingers on the screen, and after a second you can select the area that you want to capture, so you can take a partial screenshot just like that. If you lift your fingers after touching with well, if you use 3 fingers and press and hold them, and if you lift them up, then you can select the area with 1 finger, and you can also press and hold and keep holding once this layout is open in order to swipe down and select the area like this. Of course, you can still adjust the area that should be captured. At the bottom we have some additional options. In the upper right corner we can save the screenshot, and on the left side at the top we can delete the screenshot. Now, besides that, what you can also do is you can use the sidebar. If you do use a sidebar, then by default we have this screenshot button that allows you to take a full screenshot just like that. Also, in the control center or quick settings, you should be able to find the screenshot button as well. It is added by default, so you can tap over here to capture a full screenshot. You can also tap on the screenshot name over here on this text below the button in order to also find the scrolling screenshot option and the partial screenshot option as well. And last but not least, you can also open settings, then over here go to accessibility and convenience, then we're gonna choose accessibility. In here go to accessibility menu and turn on the shortcut. Once you enable the shortcut, you can tap on the shortcut that appears on the right side, and then over here you can find the screenshot option as well. And there we go. Besides these options, one thing that I have to mention related to the 3-finger gestures is that if you go to accessibility and convenience and open screenshot option, then over here you can make sure that the 3-finger swipe down and 3-finger touch and hold options are enabled if, of course, you want to be able to take a screenshot with these gestures. Leave a like and subscribe.